Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a game pass in Roblox. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this create button and then inside here select creation. Now choose one of your experience. By default, everyone has their own space, so just click onto it. From the left hand side menu, scroll below until you see passes. Go ahead and tap onto it. And just like that, inside here, go ahead and simply tap on create a pass. Now you can go ahead and upload a custom image for your pass or leave the default one. Then type in your pass name. Then you can go ahead and type in the description. Once done, tap on create pass and your pass is created. If you would like to put this pass on sale, go ahead and select it. Then tap on sale. And just like that, you need to go ahead and toggle on this button that says item for sale. Type in your default price and then tap on save changes. Just like that, you have created your game pass in Roblox. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.